Hey guys, it's Liz. Right now I'm at work, as you could tell. You could probably hear it all in the background. Yeah, it's crazy town right now. Right now I'm off duty. So, I'm just trying to relax. I go back on duty in like 5 minutes, or no, not 5 minutes, like 15 minutes. So, yeah, I'm just trying to relax while I can. Yes, I am rooming again. That's basically the only thing I have time for during my little break. So, that's what I do. I just sit out here and room. So yeah. I'm just sitting on this stuff, just trying to relax. But yeah, sitting there talking to my mom, and it's non-stop rain. I'll put a clip in later, or probably after this one, if I remember, of how much it's raining, because it is literally like non-stop rain. It has been raining since I think 10 this morning. At first, from like 10 to 11, it was on and off. But then once it hit 11, it started and it never stopped. And right now it's probably 10, or no, it's probably like 3:30, 3:25-ish. And it is coming down. And my house is like my house is like somewhere between like 7, somewhere between like 5 and 10 minutes. 10 minutes being like traffic or if I want to go slow. And my mom says it's just a little drizzle down here, nothing serious. I'm like, are you serious? It's been non-stop rain since 11 this morning. And she's like, pff, pff. I'm like, are you serious? It has not stopped and it's just getting harder and harder. But yeah, I don't know. Let me see if I can get on this. But yeah. Oh, that was fun. But yeah, it's been like non-stop. Like since I puddled down here, you can see it's coming down. But yeah, it's like non-stop, and it's like it won't stop. I mean, yeah, we need the rain to wash away all that pollen, but yeah, I don't think we need. Well, yeah, we need some of this rain. I'm trying to get comfortable here. But yeah. Alright, so right now it is 7:55, 54. Basically just got back from shopping with my sister, which I despise doing, but hey, say hi. You just got right in the camera. Oh, excuse me, camera. But like I said, something I really despise doing. The funniest thing was I saw my coworker with her her middle son, which her middle son, who was I think about 8 years old, and her youngest is I think 6. And he is so cute. He got his hair cut since I last saw him. But yeah, saw her and her son, which I thought was funny. Usually I don't see her at the store when I go. But yeah, saw them, and all my sister did was nag at me. She nagged at me the whole time, so whatever. It's the last time I'm going shopping with her. I fucking hate it. I fucking hate how she'll get what she wants, and then when I want to get what I want, she'll fucking nag. Like, are you serious? Sure, whatever. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, so, right now it's about 8:26 at night, and, I'm actually about to go to bed. I'm really tired, and I gotta get up early tomorrow. And I actually have to work all day tomorrow as well. Well, not all day. I get the break in the morning, but unfortunately, I work straight through from 11 to probably 5:30ish. So basically, I'm working a lot tomorrow. Not a lot tomorrow. It's probably like an extra hour that I get. So yeah. And I gotta wake up early tomorrow so that way I can give my mom like the $40 I owe her, and pay back some more money to my dad. And the reason why I want to wake up early to do that is that way I want to write my check. So yeah. That's like my usual spot in my vlog, because as you can see, right here's my little. Sorry. Right here's my little charger for my phone. Oh, it's a bright light. Yeah. I actually like this charger. It's an energy cell charger. That's what it says right there. But it works pretty good. I have had no problems with it. But I might be getting a new phone, so. Well, I definitely am getting a new phone. I don't think I'm gonna get an iPhone again. Oh no, I might get an iPhone, actually. I might get an iPhone. I was looking at the Galaxy S5 phone, but I'm actually looking at the iPhone 5C, which is like the color, and I think it has Siri on it as well. So when my mom says, "Well, why don't you ask your phone?" I can actually say Siri. So, or press the little home button on here. But on my phone, I can't do that. I have the regular 4, which is old. So yeah. Um. Sorry, I was watching Cowboys and Aliens. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video. So yeah, I keep forgetting to show my pictures that I got from Comic-Con, and if my cat doesn't knock it off, she's been irking my chain all night. She has been irking my chain all night. But yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys like, subscribe, and favorite. Oh, Jake was trying to get that over my shoulder. But, yeah. No. Alright, but yeah, hope you guys like, subscribe, and favorite. Saturday I might be going to a Memorial Day barbecue. And, probably put some clips of us at the party. And, at the party there's gonna be Cards Against Humanity. And some drinking. Which I don't drink till 21. Don't drink and drive either. Very bad. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I hope you have a good night, and if you're watching this during the day, have a great day. Bye.